by DJ Paeste in size 60 by 78 cm round special treatment for free prism pearls. So there are many ways that you can do your special treatment for the prism pearls that you get with this painting. And one idea is to simply sprinkle it on the black outline, as we've done here for the spirals on the petals. You could do that with the scales, which we have done here on top as an example. As you can see, we've placed the prism pearls on some of the black areas of the scales just to give it an added glisten, just like fish scales. You can also place your prism pearls in the background by sprinkling it, just as what we've done over here in this section and also in this section over here. So you can do a combination of all of those different options, or you can choose to just place it in the background, or just to place it on the flowers by outlining the spirals, or you can choose to just place it on the fins of the koi. So it's up to you how you'd like to conduct your special treatment, provided you place your prism pearls in all of the black areas on the painting. You are going to get an absolutely beautiful image for a diamond painting.